Welcome to c49HockeyBreaks box break number 126. And today I was asked if I would be opening up any more 1920 buybacks. I said yes. And today we're back with another box. The first two videos where we broke two boxes have done fairly well. But today we just got one box. And box number 362. 362. Alright. The 1920 buybacks. Another quick one after clear cut. Last break. Today's 1920 buybacks starts off with a Patrice Bergeron Emerald base number 3 of 25. 3 of 25. And hiding behind the base. Alright, it is spun around, so we will put the base there. And our buyback is a Mark Scheifele canvas number 9 of 15. Not a great box, but to be honest with you, I wasn't expecting a big card when I seen the emerald green base out of 25. I find what I've seen of buybacks so far, if you get a rookie base or a short print base, the buyback card behind it isn't the best, but not too shabby compared to the first two breaks. Definitely not the best, but that is our box of 1920 Upper Deck buybacks for today. So if you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you haven't already hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. And we got plenty more box breaks, 6-pack Saturdays, and coming up back in the new year, we'll get on to some more Sunday uploads, but plenty more box breaks to come. And yeah, that does it for break number 126, 1920 Upper Deck buybacks.